Alright, so I'm currently editing this video right now as we speak. I didn't film an intro and I forgot about that. What is going on, guys? Today in this video, we are going to be doing another setup video. This video is going to be featured basically on my sister's setup. So I'm going to be slightly upgrading her setup. At the time of this video, I actually am making two setup videos. So if you haven't seen the first one, go check that out. If you haven't seen the other ones, I'll have a playlist pop up right now so you can go ahead and watch all of my setup videos. Usually they all have giveaways, so just check them out. Stay tuned because you never know. Without further ado, let's just go straight into the video. All right, now we're just gonna switch them. I forgot I put the RGB strips behind it. It's fine because I could just put it back. So we have the keyboard here. I featured it in a previous video. Basically, you have a ton of modes and colors, as you can see. And then you can change the colors. It also came with this mouse. It was like a $60 set, so it was pretty good. RGB strips like my old desk, and then L-shaped desk. And you have a Starlight projector here. These are Wi-Fi, and then they're controlled with the Google Home Mini. This is an Acer 75Hz IPS panel. I think it's a 20-inch, maybe 22. Oh yeah, anyways, that's the school laptop. So this is her school area. And then you have the gaming chair here. It's an S-Racer, black and carbon. So it has a carbon texture here. And right here we have our PlayStation 4. To the right side, you just have her entertainment / gaming area. She can switch over on either side. I made it so it'll be able to switch over. Gaming / entertainment. That's why there's speakers here. I couldn't find the stand for this, so it's temporarily like that. But then eventually I'll get a TV stand for this, and that way it'll levitate and then it'll be above the speakers. By the way, these are Pebble V2 speakers. I've done the V1s in my subscriber setup, but I haven't featured these ones yet. I'll do a sound test in a bit. Oh, and the back of the TV does have RGB strips. Taking a look at cable management. I haven't featured it in the other video for the subscriber at all because the file I recorded during that got corrupted, so it didn't work. So we have 3 raceways on the back, so one in the middle diagonally and then 2 on either end. That's how we were able to switch them because I had the extra raceway on this side. And then right here we have a power strip. It has 3 USB ports and 1 Type-C port. And then it has 6 outlets. Right here we have a smart plug connected to the laptop charger, and it has a charge cycle, so you'll be able to charge it every so often in a certain time. It's really helpful. I highly recommend it if you don't have one. And then this is just held up with some 3M cable clips. The power strip is held up by 3M Scotch tape, as well as some of these power adapters. Oh yeah, and then this right here, quick access to the LED neon sign, which looks really nice. I've done a video on that as well, but you can access it really quickly underneath the desk. So this is what it looks like, a closer look. It's nice and diffused, and it looks really, really clean. And then we have 2 types of LED strips. One is RGB and one is RGBIC, which does features like this. If you haven't seen that, make sure you guys check it out. There's a quick sound test of the Pebble speakers. keep note of the sound right here. Alright, so you can't do it justice on camera, but these sound extremely good. The bass and clarity overall is really good. Lows, mids, and highs are important on these speakers. Best sellers on Amazon, I highly recommend it. And they come in at less than $30, which is insane, especially for desktop speakers. Now, they don't have RGB or anything fancy, but I'd rather have something that has better sound quality than fancy RGB lighting, even though it adds extra FPS to your gaming. Tech sarcasm. Really quick addition I added right now is a fast wireless charger. I believe this is a 10 or 15 watt wireless charger. So yeah, that's pretty much completes the setup. If you guys did like this video, make sure you drop a thumbs up. Every single like and support that gets on this video, I'll be able to upgrade this setup and make it a lot better, and her room just a lot better. I really want to do this for my sister because she's my sister, obviously. So yeah, support this video, support any of my other gaming setup videos because I have tons of giveaways on there. Speaking of giveaways, I wasn't going to do one, but might as well as do it. Why not? I feel like giving. Alright, so for the giveaway, we're going to go ahead and give away a $500 mystery box. So we have two boxes actually because they don't fit, but this is the first one. It's a $500 retail value, name brand products, just random tech in there. And to be able to enter, all you have to do is just like the video and comment mystery box. That's all you have to do. This video has to get at least 1,000 likes so I can be able to give it away. It's not that many. I know you guys can do it because 1,000 likes is pretty average for these types of videos. I just really want to give back to the community, so if you guys can do that, thank you guys for watching, and check out the rest of my setup videos like I said before in the intro.